Okay, can you read this one?
I am
Again?
hello.
No.
I am the
Oh, very good. Hello. Okay, good. Another two boxes for you. 1, 2. Okay, next. You can read this one.
my third show is six.
Okay, good. My sister Shell is 6. Okay, very good, Anisha. Okay, another two boxes for you. Next, you can read this one.
Two fast long dark cool
Curls, very good. Shell has long dark curls. Okay, very good. Another two boxes for you. Now you can continue read this one.
he has two well
Good.
her good.
Curls, oh, good. Okay, she likes to twirl her curls. Okay, another two boxes for you. 1, 2. Now you can continue read this one.
That's Saturday. Show and I play in the garden together.
Okay, good. Last Saturday, Shell and I played in the garden together. Okay, another two verses for you. Very good, Alicia. Okay, next.
We we have
We
two
saw
two is
two.
bus
Okay, birds.
no
Nesting.
in in a tree.
In a fir tree. Okay. We saw two birds nesting in a fir tree. Okay, fir tree. Okay, fir tree. Okay, good. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, next.
Show and I run and run around the bird tree.
The fir tree. Very good. Shell and I run and run around the fir tree. Okay, good. Another two verses for you. Good. Okay, now you can read.
We had that
Luck. Okay, good. We had bad luck. Okay, so you can write the rocket. Okay, one more.
the
Mm?
first
First.
first I read that
Okay, to read. Oh, three part. Three.
over uh, something
Stump.
and some and it
Oh, L.
fell.
Okay, good. First, I tripped over a stump and fell. Okay, so you have reached the stars. Very good, Anisha. You can ask your mom to get 2 ringgit. Okay.